Welcome back to our PowerPoint for Professionals series. Today's focus is on taking your animations to the next level using precise timing and interactive triggers. Let's dive in. Well-timed animations direct attention, emphasize key points, and keep your audience focused. Triggers allow you to control animations interactively, great for storytelling or live demos. Select any animation, then open the animation pane for fine control. You can set the animation to start. On click, with previous or after previous. You can build anticipation by having elements enter one by one, like points in a pitch or steps in a process. Triggers let you activate animations by clicking specific objects. Perfect for interactive slides, dashboards, and Q&A formats. You can create interactive hotspots using invisible shapes. Just insert a rectangle, remove its fill and outline, and assign it as a trigger. That's how you create dynamic, interactive slides using timing and triggers. In the next video, we'll learn how to use hyperlinks and action buttons to turn your slides into a clickable experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more professional PowerPoint tips.